friends, welcome to Rhia's Vlogs2 channel. Today's vlog is assembling my Ecovacs vacuum and mopping Deebot. How to put the main brush and the side brush in. Just push it in. Until it clips. And the main brush, it was already installed. I just took it out so you would know how to put a new one in. And put the cover on till it clips. And how to take it out is these two arrows. Just pull it in and then you can take it out like that. Okay. And here's your main brush and your side brush ready. And now I'm showing you how to put the filter in your Deebot. Open this top, and this is your dust bin. Just pull this handle up and take it out. And to take the filter out, just pull it out and push this button, red button, and to empty your dust bin. It is automatic, but if something is stuck and it's hard to come out, so there's a way to take it out. Okay, so if you put a new filter in, easy, just like this, and put it back. This blade and little brush, how to use this is when there's hair in your brush, because it will collect hair and it will get stuck in your brush, and then you can use this blade. You will know when you start using your Deebot. Okay? And we'll put this back first so we don't lose that. You can download the app for the Ecovacs Home. Download an App Store or Google Play. This part here, this is the reservoir where you put your filter water for your mopping. So make sure do not use tap water, because there's a lot of minerals that can block the holes So just use filtered water. I'll show you how the mop and vacuum works on my next video. And this is the camera lens, and I guess some people don't want to use the camera, and this is your camera lens cover. So I guess there's a reason on that why not all people want the robot to know the space of their house. This red button here, this is the power on and off. When you turn it on, it turns the Wi-Fi and the button for the power. This is the auto empty station. Just open the top and if the dustbin bag is full, put a new one in. And it comes with one more dustbin bag. So how to put it in? It's just push it down like that and close it. If your auto empty station is placed on a carpet, use this ramp. And how to install that, just let this lay down and place the ramp, and it will stay. There it is. And for mopping, it comes with washable pad and disposable pads. So how to install the mop pad plate? Just push it in and you hear the click. And that's it. We are going to charge our charging station. So we put our plug in. And I'm going to plug it in. Then I'm gonna grab the robot. Make sure your robot is on when charging, and when it is off, it won't charge.